पिछली वीडियो में हमने देखा था जनरल सगत सिंह ने कैसे साहस और वीरता के साथ दुश्मन को घुटने टेकने पर मजबूर किया था। अब कठिनाइयां बदल चुकी थी क्योंकि 1967 में स्थिति और बिगड़ी। भारत ने नाथुला पर बॉर्डर के साथ कांटेदार तार लगाने की कोशिश की। चीनी सैनिकों ने विरोध किया जो नाथुला पर 13 सितंबर 1967 को हमले में बदल गया।
In 67, he had meetings with the political commissar of the Chinese, and he got indications that September 13th, the Chinese are going to attack. But the Chinese attacked 2 days earlier on September 11th.
चीनी सेना ने भारतीय ठिकानों पर हमले शुरू किए।
And the commander, Brigadier Bakshi, and they were together in the forward positions near Changu Lake. He said, "Okay, sir, this 62 is going to be held all over again." So he said, "Don't worry."
जनरल सगत सिंह ने तुरंत जवाबी कार्रवाई का आदेश दी। आदेश मिलते ही भारतीय सैनिकों ने सटीक हमला की और चीनी सेनाओं के टैंकों को ध्वस्त कर दिया।
Ultimately, Chinese had, in those 4 days of clashes from starting from 11th, they had something between 300 to 350 dead. That was the biggest setback the Chinese had got. So after 62, it was the first time that the Chinese asked for ceasefire.
During those clashes, it's not that he was far away in his headquarters at mile 17 or some other location. Neither was he in the Changu Lake area right behind. He was well up in Nathula, moving with the troops when the barbed wire was being laid, being very much there when the exchange of fire started, and he was literally directing the fire onto the Chinese bunkers, exhorting his men to stand fast and give the enemy a bloody nose.
1 अक्टूबर 1967 को चौलाह में भी ठीक ऐसा ही संघर्ष हुआ। चीनी सैनिकों ने हमला किया लेकिन भारत के बहादुर जवानों ने उन्हें पीछे धकेल दिया।
With the Chinese. So they attacked the Chinese, destroyed their whatever bunkers they had made, temporary bunkers. They destroyed them with the RCL guns. They had the shoulder fired 57 millimeter RCL. They destroyed those bunkers. And then the Chinese again came with the white flag in Chola.
भारतीय सेना ने निर्णायक लाभ हासिल किया और 1962 का प्रतिशोध लिया। इन सभी घटनाक्रम ने भारतीय सेना की रणनीति को बदल कर रख दिया।
He was always there to take a decision because he was right in the front. And irrespective of what the orders were, he would know what the overall plan is and what should be the plan. He would do something that would, further our plans and achieve victory in the shortest possible time with the least possible amount of casualties.
He wanted to attack Chumbi Valley. He had made plans to attack Chumbi Valley, and had he captured Chumbi Valley at that time, this chicken's neck would have become tiger's neck.
I was then serving in Gangtok in the Signal Regiment. We had an annual inspection. We had a lot of cable stores. Cable is that telephone line.